gonna paint Chhota Bheem's hair with black color. Alright, so I'll start with the smaller brush to paint along the outline. Be careful, make sure the color doesn't cross over the outline. Be very careful. Nice and easy. We can keep the brush in the standing position for the narrow areas, like this. Nice and easy. Now the other side. Again, we can use the brush in standing position for the narrow area. Chhota Bheem is a very smart and intelligent boy. He's from Dholakpur. Chhota Bheem and his friends are known to protect the king of Dholakpur and also the people of Dholakpur. Sweet balls are Chhota Bheem's favorite, and he draws his energy from the sweet balls. Now, we're done coloring along the outline. Now we need to fill in the color in the rest of the portion, for which we're going to use a broader brush. Nice strokes, long ones, very smooth. Let's fill the color. Be very careful. Make sure the color doesn't cross over the outline. Alright, fill up all the gaps. The hair is done. So now I'm using the skin color to paint the face. Let's start coloring inside the outline. Around the eyebrows. We've left the eyebrows. Now on the eyelids, around the eyes, all the way down, and up again. Forehead. Now with the black sketch color, let's fill in the eyebrows. And the other one. And in the eye. And the other one. Very carefully. And let's fill this hollow part of the mouth with a black color too. And for the sacred mark on the forehead, let's use orange color. Now for the mouth, we're gonna use the color red. And now let's darken the outline with the black sketch color. When we darken the outline, the picture becomes more bright and gets a perfect shape. We just need to darken the outline and not change the shape at all. The ears. The hairline. Looks more definite with the outline. The other ear. The mark. The sacred mark. The eye. The other eye. The nose. And the mouth. The chin. And the face. Alright, we finished painting our beloved and famous Chhota Bheem! Yay! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.